The Ignition Designer has a search and replace function that allows you to check through all of the things that are in your project. To find that, we're going to go up to our Edit menu bar item and then to Find and Replace, or you can just press Control F. Now once this opens up, you can see we have a couple different sections here. Underneath the Target section, there's actually a little handle in here that you can shrink this down to make a results window smaller. Now I want to search specifically for a button that I've named Control, so I'll type Control up in the top, and you can see we have a number of checkboxes here. Each one of these is different objects inside of the project that are searchable, and several of them have drop-down lists. So one of the things that I need to do is I need to go into Windows and say I want to search all my windows, not just my currently open ones, specifically because I have 0 open windows. So I'll change that to all, so it'll search all 9 for them. Now I know that this is a component, so I don't need to search my pipelines or any of this other stuff, so I can turn all them off. Now that these are all set up the way I want them, I'm going to search for the word control. I'll click Find here. And you can see very briefly there's a little progress bar at the bottom, and it's found 3 matches. So now I can click on this second one. On main window 2, I have a button called Control Button and a button called Control Button 1. This is actually the one I wanted. And you can see there's even a replace category down at the bottom here. So instead of Control, I could rename it to something else if I wanted to. Maybe multi-state button. And you can see how it would change it. And so now I can either replace just this one, or I can replace all of them. Now I don't actually want to do any replacing, I just want to go find this particular button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on this, and you can see our project browser up in the upper left hand corner is going to change, because when I double click it, it goes down and opens up the window and points directly at that control button. So I'm going to go and close my Find Replace window, and you can see here's my main window too with this control button.